In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a category page in WordPress with Elementor step by step. By default, WordPress category pages are very limited in design options, and you can't easily customize the layout unless you use custom code or a page builder workaround. So in this tutorial, I'll show you a simple method using Elementor and a free plugin so you can fully control how your category pages look. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside your admin panel, go to Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. We're going to install a plugin that allows Elementor to design archive and category templates. In the search bar on the top right, type in Anywhere Elementor or Ele Skins. You should see the plugin appear in the results. Click Install Now, and once it finishes installing, click Activate. This plugin allows you to create advanced Elementor templates and assign them to different parts of your website, including category pages. After activating the plugin, you'll notice a new menu item called AE Templates in your WordPress dashboard. If you don't immediately see it, you can refresh the page. Now click on AE Templates and then click Add New. We're going to create a brand new template specifically for our category page layout. Give your template a clear name, for example, Category Layout, so you can easily recognize it later. After naming it, click Publish. Now click the blue Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor editor where you can visually design your category page layout. Inside Elementor, we're going to use a special widget provided by the plugin called AE Post Block. Drag the AE Post Block widget into your section. This widget dynamically pulls in posts from your selected category and displays them in a customizable layout. Once you add the widget, you can configure the layout style, number of columns, image position, excerpt length, metadata, and more. You can style the typography, spacing, background colors, and buttons to match your website branding. Take your time here and design the layout exactly how you want your category pages to appear. You can also add headings, banners, or additional sections above or below the post block to create a more dynamic archive page. When you're done designing, click Update to save your template. Now we need to assign this template to a specific category. To do that, go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Posts, then click on Categories. Choose the category you want to customize and click Edit. If the plugin is active, you'll see a drop-down option that allows you to select a template. From that drop-down menu, choose the category layout template you just created. Then scroll down and click Update to save the changes. Now, when you visit that category page on the front end of your website, you'll see your fully customized Elementor design instead of the default WordPress layout. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit a category page in WordPress with Elementor using a simple plugin method. This approach gives you full control over your archive layouts without touching any code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future WordPress and Elementor guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.